All right, welcome to Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. Every Monday, and we're on our new time. We're a tad bit late, but every Monday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that is our winter show time. 7:30. Lock it in. Lock it in. We are coming on at 7:30 during the winter, going into the fall, winter months, and then when we go back to spring, summer, guess what? We're gonna make sure that we go to 8 o'clock. So we're switching from 8 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right here. We're live right now on youtube.com/Jean Marlo Davis. We're on facebook.com/Your Wealth Creator. We're also on Twitter at Jean Marlo Davis, and we're on TikTok, Queen Jean Wealth Creator. Welcome to Money Madness, where it's all about how to make money, keep money, protect money, and grow money, because it's what is your money. Tonight, we're going to talk about real estate investing in 2022, what to look out for. Guys, listen, I did my research. Let me tell you right now, there's a lot of things going on that I'm going to talk about. Go ahead and grab pen and paper so you can take copious notes, because the information that I'm going to give you, if you're looking to grow your dollars and invest in real estate, you need to know what's going on in your backyard, in your city, in your state, in your town. And I'm going to show you how you can participate and earn the money that you want to earn. So many different things that you can invest in. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. We had an incredible weekend. I have to talk about that maybe on the Jean Marlo Davis show, where we just had a great time with the Bridgerton affair. So we had a great time doing that, me and the boss, Mr. Bruce Davis. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a 2-minute commercial break. And while we're doing that, I'm going to do my TikTok shout outs, because they don't get to see the commercials. But TikTok, if you want to see the commercials, go to youtube.com/Jean Marlo, Marlo Davis, Jean, Jean Marlo Davis. Just go to youtube.com and look up Jean Marlo Davis. You'll see me. And guess what? You'll be able to see the entire show. But unfortunately, right now, TikTok can't see the entire show, right, babe? They can't get the commercials quite yet. Not yet. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a 2-minute commercial break. Grab pen, grab paper, so you can take copious notes, and we're going to dive right into what you should be looking for in real estate investing in 2022 and beyond. You're watching Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. We'll be right back. Hi, guys. Jean Marlo Davis, your wealth creator, ex-Iris auditor, with over 20 years tax and financial experience. Now that I got that out the way, I am so excited. Why am I excited? Because, guys, you've been blowing up my phone, blowing up my email, like, Jean, when are you going to drop the course? When are you going to drop the course? Well, finally, we're dropping the course right now. Now, some of you guys who don't know me on social media. I don't know where you've been, but listen, we are finally dropping the course to show people. And when I say people, I'm talking about tax professionals, those who are looking to scale up their business if they're a tax professional, those who are saying, you know what, I want to ditch the W-2, I'm sick of doing taxes, or maybe somebody who just want to get into the arena that I'm talking about. Guys, we're going to show you how we went from $300 to $500 a client to $3,000, $5,000 on up a client. And not just that, guys, we're going to show you how you can get paid year round, because some of you get paid seasonal. This is the big time right now, but we're going to show you how to scale your business. If you want to get rid of the W-2 and you want to earn the type of money that we earn, that my clients earn, we're going to show you with this class. Woo, finally, right? I'm sorry, don't beat me up, but finally it is here. Go ahead and click on the link below. Click on the link, take immediate and massive action, because the classes fill up, and that's not my fault. Okay, my name is Jean Marlo Davis. I'm your web creator. I'm going to see you on the other side. We're going to break this thing down. All right, welcome back, guys. I am under these lights, and these lights are bright. And honey, I am burning up. So welcome back, guys. My name is Jean Marlo Davis. We're live right now on youtube.com/Jean Marlo Davis, facebook.com/Your Wealth Creator, Twitter at Jean Marlo Davis, and on TikTok. You don't stop. on Queen Jean Wealth Creator. You're watching Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis, where it's all about how to make money, keep money, protect money, and grow money. We're going to dive right into it because I was just, we're out and about. We live in Georgia, Atlanta area, what have you, Mapleton, Vinings area, somewhere around that way. And we're seeing a lot of things that if you pay attention to your surroundings, you pay attention, especially if you're a business owner or investor, you're looking at things like, we're seeing new developments going up, single family homes going up everywhere. My husband and I, we went to the Bridgerton Affair this past weekend in an area that we hadn't been in a long time. And it blew our mind, didn't it, Bruce?
Yeah.
It was stuff. I was like, oh my God, where did these buildings come from? Then we went out to the DeKalb Farmers Market because I love fresh food. And after we finished shopping, I was a little hungry. I said, honey, can we find somewhere close by? We go somewhere close in that area. We see new developments. Like we were asking some of the people who worked in the restaurant, like, when did this come up? She said they started building this late 2019, early 2020. So while the pandemic was going on, they were building. And we're seeing conglomerate of single family homes that are being built. And I remember, and I talked about this maybe about a week or so ago, that I watched an interview with both two people that I admire, two people that I've taken advice from, went to both of their workshops and seminars and things of that nature. And it was a conversation between Robert Kiyosaki and Grant Cardone. I was just like, woo, it was like I wanted the popcorn, the peanut and everything, because I love when you have two intelligent, sophisticated people come together, share their points of view about investing in real estate. And you see both perspective. Both of them are super wealthy. Both of them have abundance of properties, but did it different ways. And their strategies was different. And so I want to talk about real estate investing in 2022, what to watch for now. As I stated, we're seeing more and more single family homes going up, which leads to SFRs. What is that? Single family rentals. We're seeing more and more people are renting right now versus buying because the property prices, guys, is doubling and tripling. It's like we saw, literally, no lie, about 6 months ago, the property we saw not too far from us was like 200 something thousand. We go down the street the other day, guys. No lie, I'm not making it up. The property at 450,000. I'm like, okay, what happened? What did you put in there? I mean, how all of a sudden this property go from 2 something only a few months later to 450,000? Hey, look, what are you putting granite countertops, or what are you doing? Really? And I'm like, what is going on? And everywhere it seemed like everywhere there was lots of property. Land is now, you see big signs, that 3 company names on the signs, and the new properties coming, single family homes. I'm like, what is going on here? I'm going to tell you. And this is according to Forbes.com. A gentleman wrote an article, Alan Dunnenfield, and he talked about what to invest in 2022. My sources that I have is coming from Forbes. It's coming from USA Today, USA News, and other places where I did this research to look and see what is going on, because it's very wise, guys, to be aware. If you call yourself a savvy investor, business owner, you want to create income producing assets, you need to be aware of what's going on today. So I did some research. It said single family and multifamily rentals will remain strong, according to Zillow. For sale homes prices rose 19.5% in 2021 and expected to rise another 11% in 2022. But it ain't who you think is buying the homes. Check this out. Despite the higher mortgage rates, large institutions are seeing a long-term investment opportunity with the single family rental sector. large institutions. People are merging together, not mom and pop regular. You trying to get a single phone? No, no, they're back in groups. They're coming together. Okay, and I'm gonna explain what they're doing. Okay, in just a minute. Mom and pop rentals is now seeing a surge of professionally managed portfolios of homes. Okay, Blackstone is one of the largest real estate investors in the country, and they have sponsored a new REIT focus on single family homes. Now, if you ask me what is REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, write that down, boys and girls. REIT, REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, is a company that owns and in most cases operate income producing real estate. What kind? Income producing real estate. REITs, which is our real estate investment trust, write that down, on many type of commercial real estate, including office, apartment buildings, warehouses, single family homes, hospitals, shopping centers, hotels, and commercial interests. Okay. Now, you want to get into the real estate market, and you little John Doe, and you want to get into the single family homes. Let me tell you what's happening right now. It's funny, but it's low down. It is. What these conglomerate, these real estate investment trusts, these companies are coming together, pulling in researchers together. Just more, it's the same thing as them building properties. My husband, he's an electrical engineer, read blueprints every day. And when you look at the fence and who's building the property, you see several names, right? Several names that come together, place a bid on that property to build it up or whatever. That's what you got going on now. Companies are coming together, putting their money together and forming these real estate investment trusts. And they are buying up homes like crazy, neighborhoods like crazy, office parks like crazy, warehouses like crazy, hospitals like crazy, land like crazy. And little mom and pop who want to get in real estate investing, single family homes, they're getting outbidded because these groups are coming together. These companies, these corporations are coming together, pooling their resources together, and you bid on the house for $450. They laughing because they're going to get it for $1 million. They're going to double it up. They're making it so outrageous that they're outbidding you, little mom and pop. But we have solutions to help you out. I'm just talking about what you need to think about, and you need to look into real estate investment trusts. How do I get into a REIT? How do I get involved in that if I want to start investing in single family home? Remember, there's multiple ways to skin a cat. And I ain't talking about being a rat either. You're watching Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. We're going to take a commercial break, and we'll be right back. All right, welcome back to Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. Every Monday, our new time now, for the fall and winter is at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's all about how to make money, keep money, protect money, and grow money because it's your money. Guys, if you're watching on TikTok, you could go to youtube.com because we're going to jump off of TikTok in another 5 minutes. And I don't want you guys to miss anything. So TikTokers, don't stoppers, listen, hit the plus button over there and follow your girl to the money train because I won't lead you wrong. Follow me. But then once I come off here, so you don't miss anything, go to youtube.com/JEAN Marlo, MARLO Davis, DAVIS. That's what my TikTokers, because they don't get to see everything that you see. Okay. And we're back. We're talking about in real estate investing in 2022, what to watch out for. We explain what is a REIT, REIT, real estate investing trust, a company that owns and invests and operate income producing real estate, income producing, buying up everything. We're talking about offices, apartment buildings, single family home, warehouses, hospitals, shopping center, hotel, commercial interests. They are buying up things left and right and left. And little mom and pop trying to get in is being outbidded because they have all these companies coming together, getting income producing assets, real estate, and they're outbidding you. And it's like you can't even get your foot in the door on some of these properties, investment properties that they're getting. So you can look into how can I get involved with a real estate investment trust. I want you not to take my word for it. Go do your own research. Investigate what is a real estate investment trust. Okay. And then what I want you to do is go look at, there's an article on here talking about the 9 top real estate investment trusts to look into. It's on Google. Look it up. I'm not going to do that research for you. Damn it. Do it for yourself so you can get that money and not be a chicken waiting to be plucked because you don't have information. Okay. So I know my mentor, Grant Cardone, he has real estate investment trusts that you can get involved in it. You can look up Cardone Capital, Cardone Investments, or what have you, and he allows you to get in. Some of them starting at $1,000, right, Bruce? $1,000 that you can, just look him up on YouTube. I'm not getting paid for telling him, but hey, look, I look, it's a blessing. Whatever you want, you give, and I don't mind giving information. And I'm telling you, that's somebody that I know that you can trust that are really doing real estate investment trust. Now, I don't know if Robert Kiyosaki is doing it. I know he teaches about how you can get your own real estate, how you can start getting into, single, I would say 20, 30, 40 units. Grant Cardone teaches that as well. But we're talking about what's happening with these. You're seeing more and more single family homes going up everywhere. And before you know it, they're sold out. These people are buying it up. And remind me to tell you what they're doing with these single family homes before I leave. Remind me, babe. Okay. I don't want to blow it yet. I don't want to say it yet. Right. Okay. So do your research before getting involved with any real estate investment trust. Okay. Now, the Sun Belt is the place to be. We're talking about real estate invested in 2022, what you need to watch out for. That's what we're talking about in case you confused and wondering what we're talking about. We're talking about what you should be doing if you want to invest in real estate right now. The Sun Belt, they said, is the place to be. The Census Bureau latest housing report show that large metro areas are losing significant market share to smaller cities. According to this most recent data, 811,000 newly constructed homes were sold in the U.S. in December 2021. Of those homes, 56 were located in the South, while only 3% was in the Northeast. Younger workers are seeking better work-life balance, and older workers retire in new record numbers. You got to know what is driving the market. You talked about this the other day. Remember, my husband and I was in the mall, and he was like, he was talking about just off the wise man off the top, just observing. He was like, the young people are taking over like the baby boomers. Yeah. Is that what you said? And what? Yeah, that's the new boom. That's the new boom. What's happening? How many children was born during COVID, being locked down, and what they're going to do to drive the market over the next 20 years. But right now, younger people are saying we want work-life balance. We're tired of taking 50% of our income to pay the damn rent. We're sick of it. So they're looking to go to these Sunbelt states. Now, Sunbelt states are all areas in the continental U.S. below 36 degrees, 30-minute north latitude. Okay? You want that information? The region comprised of 15 states. Write it down. I'm giving you some hint, clues right now. Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, Nevada, New Mexico, North Carolina, Oklahoma, South Carolina, Tennessee, and Texas. Okay, now, out of that, what's the top 8 markets to watch for? Do y'all got y'all pen? I hope y'all writing this stuff down for real now. I'm tired of giving notes and y'all not following, and you're broke. If you're broke, it is your fault, because information like TikTok, University, YouTube, Facebook, all these other things exist. And all you got to do is put yourself in the place and don't be disgraced and be broke. It's so many opportunities out here today that people like myself is sharing. You think it is just entertainment. It's edutainment. It is that, but it's information nonetheless to position, I can't even talk, position you to do your best and have what? Income producing assets, okay? Income producing assets allow you to live the type of lifestyle you want to live regardless of going to work. Now, write these states down. The top 8 markets to watch out for in real estate investing. Bump, bump, a dump. Nashville, Tennessee, number 1. Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. Phoenix, Arizona. Austin, Texas. Tampa, St. Petersburg, Florida. Charlotte, North Carolina. Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. And what you think the last one is? Atlanta, Georgia. These are the top 8 markets, guys, that's been listed on Forbes, USA Today. And I was trying to look at the other one that state the top markets that you need to look into for investing in real estate. I'm gonna be generous. I'm gonna stay on TikTok. They participating. Thank you guys. Somebody said something. Let me see something. Yes, ma'am, I'm doing good. Thank you. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop it and I'll answer it now. Remember the question that I posed. What question I said? Don't let me forget. What was that, honey? You want to drop what they were going to be doing with it. Yes. So lean into the screen, my friend. Lean in. These conglomerates coming around, creating these real estate investment trusts. They're buying up these houses and warehouses, everything that I was talking about. And guess what they're doing with these homes? They're turning them into Airbnb properties. Imagine that. And you thought Airbnb was played out. You thought, oh, it ain't going to bounce back. Listen, ask God to give you a God-like mindset. Not checkers, but chess, my friends. That's what you got to see. Things are going to bounce back. You should have known the pandemic was going to move on and boom, things going to come back unless the good Lord don't came himself. Then that's another change. But my thing is you got to have vision. When I come back, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to read some stuff about Airbnb. And then I'm going to share with you how you can get involved with Airbnb. If it's good for these real estate investors who's forming trust, then I think it's good for you. And we can help you to create a real income producing asset that's going to allow you to live the type of lifestyle you want to live, regardless of going to work. We're going to take another commercial break real quick. And when we come back, we're going to give you that information and wrap up the show. You're watching Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Welcome back to Money Madness with yours truly, Jean Marlo Davis. At the commercial break, my husband and I and some of the TikTokers, we just sitting up here talking. And that's what happens when you're on TikTok. See, they don't get the commercial, but they get the sidebar conversation. And basically, we was talking about an era that I grew up when I was a little kid. It was in Kirkwood, I think East Lake and Kirkwood. East Lake and Kirkwood, those who know that East Lake and Kirkwood in the 80s and early 90s was a place that you didn't want to be found late at night. No, you did not. But we so happened to go past those areas this past weekend. And I was like, what the fudge? You got people out there walking their dogs, houses, 500,000 a mil, just nice areas, nice parks, nice thing. I'm like, what is this? Areas have changed. A Tesla dealership that I had never seen anything like that. I was like, wait a minute. Where have I been? What's been going on? See, here's the thing that you need to know. Don't believe majority of the stuff that you hear when people want you to run for the hills. There's no jobs. There's no opportunities. You need to stop doing this. You need to stop. I really do believe in God and I pray. And you really got to ask for discernment, because while you were stuck up in your house during the pandemic, other conglomerates, real estate investment trusts was coming together, buying up properties, building up properties. You come out, go in an area you think you lost because you was like, wait a minute, this wasn't here. Where am I? Google, where am I? And and next thing you know, you see, wow, what was going on? So while you were in home locked up, they was outside building, and now they're really, I want you to research. As a matter of fact, if I get a chance and I edit this, I normally don't share somebody else's video, but I don't have no problem with it. I really want you to go look at Robert Kiyosaki, just in YouTube, Robert Kiyosaki and Grant Cardone talking about real estate and what's going on. I'm giving you a heads up of what's happening and how the prices are going to continue to go up, up, up. That's why I would tell you right now, somebody's like, oh no, wait before you get into real estate. Don't do it right now because the prices are dumb. Let me tell you something. Don't listen to that. Don't listen to it. It's not going to go back down, boo-boo. So this is the best time. This is the very best time to get into real estate. And if you want to go get a single family home, baby, and you get approved to get that, I don't care what the price say, if you can afford to get it, because it's going to go up, 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 because these people are driving the market. Interest is driving the market. What happened during the pandemic is driving the market. And you can wait if you want to. That same house you're looking at, it is going to be gone. Or better yet, you're going to find out that instead of paying $400,000, next year is going to be at 650,000. Then a year after that, it might be 850. So if it's still there, I doubt it'll be there because these people coming up, these investment trusts are coming up, buying up everything. Now, I said they're taking the properties and turning them into Airbnbs. They're taking the properties. I said these people are buying up properties. I want you guys to hear me. They're buying up properties. The investment groups, real estate investment trusts, are buying up these properties, and they're turning these single family homes into Airbnbs. Now, I wanted to read to you before I go what's going on with Airbnb, because some people reached out to me and they were like, Jean, is it? And I've been teaching this all through the pandemic. I was talking about this, was I not? I was like, look, guys, it's going to bounce back. Stop it. Turn your property into an Airbnb, man, for real. You're going to make some serious income. People going to get sick and tired of being locked in their homes. Well, let's look at Airbnb first quarter 2022 financial results. I went in here and looked this up. This is on the Airbnb website. Okay. That they said today we issue our first quarter 2022 financial results. You can read the details here. You can go there. This is by the co-founder and CEO, Brian Chesky. I hope I'm chess guy, something like that said. The first quarter of 2022 was another record quarter for Airbnb. Guests are continuing to travel domestically and to rural destinations. And now guests are also returning to cities and crossing borders at or above pandemic levels. Airbnb is stronger than ever before. Quarter 1 2022 results. Quarter 1 revenue of 1.5 billion grew 70% year over year. Okay, quarter 1 net loss was only 19 million, significantly improved from both quarter 1 2019 and quarter 1 2021. Quarter 1 adjusted EBITDA of 229 million was our first profitable quarter 1. Q1 free cash flow was $1 billion. 2022 net cash was $1.2 billion, up from 618 million in quarter 1 in 2021. Hint, hint, clue, clue. You can, like they said, in life, there's people who watch what happens. There's people who make things happen. And there's people who say, what's happening? Which one will you be? Okay. This give me a hint, clue, because I don't go on opinions. I go on actual fact. I'm not on reading somebody. I'm on Airbnb financial reporting. And I got the spreadsheet as well. They allow you to download it so you can see. So that tells me, okay, let's go back, boys and girls. If these real estate investment came together, they're buying up single family homes like popcorns popping. They're turning it into Airbnb. If I can't get into a real estate investment trust, perhaps I can get into Airbnb. Woo! Come on. Why not? I mean, they're doing it. What's good for the goose? Shouldn't it be good for the gander? Yeah. I think so. It don't take a squirrel to go nuts over this. Man. So I'm looking at this and we created a course. Baby, put it on the screen. And I'm going to give you a bonus. You purchase the course. I'm going to give you a bonus, an introductory. I'll throw in the free seminar that we did. wealthcreatorsinvest.com. Guys, write that down. Wealth Creators Invest. They don't complain and talk a bunch of mess. They get actual fact. These people are creating income producing assets. That's what I subscribe to, not bullshit. I subscribe to income producing assets. That's what these people were doing. And that's what you need to watch out for. I want you to pay attention this week. Get out of neighborhoods that you're used to and get out and ride around and see what's going on. And I gave you the top states. And I'm gonna give it to you again that you might want. I'm very happy that we're in the top states. We're in one of them already. So you can start. Wait a minute. Let me get my little paper together. Okay. They said Nashville, Tennessee, the top 8 markets. I'll leave you with that. Nashville, Tennessee, Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina, Phoenix, Arizona, Austin, Texas, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, Dallas, Fort Worth, Atlanta, Georgia. These are the top markets in real estate right now that you should be looking into. And if you can't invest in a real estate investment trust and you can't get a single family home, what I do and my partners do, we have multiple streams of income. I'm a coach, I'm a mentor, I'm an ex-IRS auditor with over 20 years tax and financial experience. I am a brand new author, Booyaka. You can get that. It's on the screen on YouTube, Facebook, and all that other stuff. Here you can go to Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, Zulon Press, and Target, right? I'm a wealthy woman because I refuse to be abused. Now, listen. We created a course because I was telling people during a pandemic, because I do research. I am a tax and financial strategist. I haven't worked a job in 20 years. I have time freedom and money freedom. Okay. So I am the boss and I pay the cost to be the boss. You got to stay on top. And I was telling people over and over and over again, you better get into the Airbnb. I don't care. We've helped hundreds and hundreds of people with the Airbnb that have bought our product. We just launched this course maybe about a year or so ago, and people are coming with testimony after testimony after testimony, showing them how they can get in the Airbnb arena without owning one property, without going out there trying to get a loan, without going in trying to your credit jack to smack up. And you're like, man, I ain't gonna never be able to get into the real estate. Well, we show you how you can get into the real estate market, just like these people who coming together, real estate investment trust. We show you how to get into Airbnb, how to get a property. That's what I'm talking about. How to get a property, how to earn 6 figures without owning one property. We show you the art of arbitrage. Okay, we break it down for you so you can understand how to do it, how to negotiate deals, how you can get a property without having to buy it. Go to wealthcreatorsinvest.com. It's scrolling down below on the other sites, right, baby? Wealthcreatorsinvest.com. Check it out, guys. Listen, man, I if I was you, I would really go back and watch this video over again because I think I gave some nuggets. When you say that? Look, I'm gonna put this in. Huh? They gotta take some more notes. I really think that you should go back. I'm gonna put this in my folder because this is good information that we need for our investments. I just think that you got to get in the game by paying attention. Either you're gonna pay attention or you're gonna pay for not being attentive. You understand what I'm saying? So you got to be willing, guys, to do the research. Here on Money Madness, we come on here and talk to you about how to make money, how to keep money, how to protect money and grow money. I say it fast because that's my tagline: how to make money, keep money, protect money, grow money. That's my swag. But I really do mean what I say and say what I mean, that we're striving to help you. Who's going to tell you? What millionaire are you going to sit down with that's going to share some information with you? Who's going to break down what I just broke down to you? Who's going to do it without you paying thousands and thousands of dollars? Here it is. Don't take this lightly. Don't take the information I'm dropping lightly. I'm showing you how you can start investing in real estate, creating residual income. I'm not talking about network marketing. I don't have nothing against it. I'm not talking about all the other stuff. I'm talking about building income producing assets from the comforts of your own home. And we share more than just talking about real estate. Tonight, we talked about real estate. But if you go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Jean Marlo Davis. And if you're watching on YouTube, it will behoove you to go ahead and subscribe, because we are dropping knowledge that's not being dropped anywhere else without you paying the big cost. You understand? Because we want to see you win in the skin you are in. I want to say thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure if you're watching, hit the plus sign on TikTok, those on Facebook. Make sure you follow those on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment below. Make sure you guys, you do your due diligence, do your research. Make sure you read the stuff. It takes time. Don't just overnight something. Do your research. Get an attorney if you need to go over terminology that you don't know, but also too, you can reach our office as well. We're here for you to help you. With that being said, please join me Thursday for the Jean Marlo Davis Show, which is about information and inspiration. It's about having total prosperity in every area of your life. That show, we talk about everything, mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, emotionally, and relationship-wise. I love talking on that show because I can talk about everything. But I hope you took this information and I hope you run with it. If you have questions, reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. You're a wealth creator too. Remember, you can have, be, do anything. God bless you. And I look forward to seeing you Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take care.